Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a wild ride. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. I hope everyone got everything they wanted and then some. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have another unboxing with a very interesting company that a lot of you may not have heard about. They are called Private Society. If you have heard about them, please leave your comments in the comment section below, and I want to hear your opinions and hear what you think. I actually found out about this company from Facebook targeting, and this brand, I don't know exactly how long they've been out, but when they first started, they were invite only. You had to get a code, or you had to get a code from someone else, and then you were able to purchase the products with the code only. In fact, it says on the back of their product, it says, for the first time ever, an exclusive invitation-only beauty brand has been developed by professional makeup artists to deliver limited edition, highest quality beauty products. There is no BS with PS, which obviously stands for Private Society. Their packaging is really interesting. I did purchase one of their palettes. It was called the Alter Ego palette. It came in this beautiful packaging right here. And this is the palette right here. And I am going to do a look with this later. This is what I have on my face right now. And I will be doing a look after we do the unboxing. Now, you no longer have to have a code to purchase from or get into Private Society. I was curious about this because as I did watch other YouTubers review Private Society, I noticed that they were talking about needing a code, and you no longer need a code. I did reach out to them to try to figure out why that was, and their official statement was that there was such high demand and interest in their products that they decided to make it public. So if you want to see that official email, I can post the receipts later. That is what they said to me when I reached out to them and asked. Okay, let's get to it. Now, this unboxing was $50 and it was supposed to come with 13 different products. It could have been face stuff, eye stuff, lip stuff, sky's the limit. So let's see what we got. Full disclosure, I did have to open up this box before because I did order a bunch of other products and it was all kind of jumbled together. So I had to like sort it out to figure out what was the stuff that came in the mystery box and the stuff that I purchased. So I did single out all the stuff that came out in the mystery box and I have it here for you now. So the first thing we have in the mystery box is an eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette came in this packaging. Opening it up here for you. The packaging looks like this. This palette is called Provocative Eyes, Amp High Voltage Electrified Eyes. And it has a little plastic key. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. Right here. Very cute. Now let's see what she looks like. Boom. We got all these mattes with a cute little condom on top, with little keys, and all of these are matte shades, so I'll pull this up so you can see this. And these are the transformative shades. So once you swatch all the mattes and then put the transformative shade on top, it's supposed to completely change the color. So I am going to swatch all these mattes for you, and we're gonna play with the transformative shade. It's a really, really interesting palette, even with just the mattes. All right, let's see. First I'm gonna swatch the shade Desire. I'm gonna go in there again, clean it up. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna go with the green transformative shade just so you can see what it looks like. And it turned it into this really interesting duochrome brown. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Flesh, which is this shade right here. And then I'm gonna go in with that same shade, that duochrome brown. And that didn't do too much. but it is a very, very, very light white. Now I'm going to go in with Desire by itself again. And I'm going to go over it with the Pinky Duochrome shade. And it turned it into a purple. Again, I'll show you the swatch by itself. And this is the swatch by itself, and this is with the Transformative Duochrome shade. Now, I'm not going to swatch all of these, but I am going to swatch a few more of them just so you can see that they're performing like they're supposed to. I'm going to swatch the shade Obsession. There we go, and I am going to go over it with the Transformative Green shade. And again, it turns it into a very interesting duochrome blue. I'm going to swatch Obsession again. And go over it with a Transformative Pink shade. And it just turned it into a very mystical, interesting, fun shade. So this is more a fun, experimental palette. I think it's very, very neat. I haven't got a chance to play with it, so I wanted to save it for you guys. So if you are interested in me doing a look with this palette, please, again, you ask and you shall receive. So that is the palette. This is what the two Transformative shades look like by themselves, by the way. Beautiful, right? Okay, let's see what else is in the box. First up here, I have a High Voltage Electrified Lips Mattitude. It comes in this box also with an adorable little plastic key, and it looks like this. Ooh. It says Private Society Cosmetics 3-in-1 Liquid Lip. Let's see what it says it's supposed to do. Get the best of both worlds with this double-ended long wear liquid lipstick. Wear matte shade to the office for daytime glam. Apply metallic top coat for nighttime drama. Ooh, this is a very, very interesting, beautiful shade. I am going to swatch this for you on my hand. The formula feels lovely. Swatch the sparkly shade for you. Oh, beautiful. I haven't decided which one of these I'm going to try on yet because I haven't played with them yet, so we'll see. This one is definitely a top contender. So again, this is the High Voltage Electrified Lips Mattitude 3-in-1 double-ended liquid lip. So this is a matte lipstick, so it should last longer than some of the others. Very excited about this. Next in the box, we got Liquid Matte Lip Lock. Say that 3 times fast. Lip Lock. Liquid Matte Lip Lock. There we go. And it looks like this, again with the plastic key. Now, I did purchase a bunch of their liquid lips, so I did get to play with them quite a bit. Not the shade, but some of the others. And the formula does feel very nice. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, and it does last for a fair amount of time. So this is what the shade looks like. I'm gonna swatch this for you. This is in the shade Affair. Okay, next, moving on, we have a Gloss Boss Lipology. This is in the shade Malibu. Again, has the very pretty key. Here's the brush. And this is not a matte lipstick, this is a gloss. but it's very pigmented, especially for a gloss. See how much color's going on there? It's really nice. The only thing I can say about the packaging is that if you buy a bunch of these and you don't remember which one is the matte and which one is the gloss, there's not really any way to tell. They both look the same packaging wise, and it doesn't really say on the bottom whether it's a gloss or a matte either. So that's one thing to be aware of if you buy a bunch of these. Just you're gonna have to kind of keep them straight so you know which one's which. Okay, next thing in the box is a Leading Liner Pro Wing Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Brown. Looks like this. No key or anything, except there on the box, it does have a key on the front. So I guess you could start a little key collection. I think this is very, very cool. You'll pull that off. And then you've got a nice little plastic key. These are very cute. I like them. All right, I'm gonna swatch this for you. This is their Leading Liner in the shade Brown. It's very dark, very pigmented. It glided on very nicely. It's a very, very dark brown. So you almost could use it for your eyes if you like the Sharpie-like eyeliner or eyebrows. Very excited about that. Next thing in the box, we got the Long Lasting Lip Liner. It looks like this. All their packaging seems to have these very nice keys on them. The lip liner looks like this. And this is in the shade Chi Chi. It's very light. This would probably be a really good shade for the waterline of your eyes to brighten up your eye for an interesting eye look. And we have another long-lasting lip liner in the shade Frenchy. Seeing a theme here with the lip products, aren't you? It's a brown shade. It looks a lot like Chi Chi, but it is a little darker. I am gonna pull all these keys off the boxes because I don't have the heart to throw them away. I think they're so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but the hoarder that I am, I can't throw them away. Now this is another Gloss Boss Lipology in the shade Glazed. It's a very vampy purple. I gotta tell you, these glosses do not feel sticky. They feel very, very nice. I don't know how they feel on the lips yet. It's the shade right here. And moving on. We have another Gloss Boss Lipology in the shade Plush. You do have to squeeze the box a little bit to get the product out so you don't pull the key off. This is in Plush, looks like this. These are very wearable shades, most of them, I think. Right here in Plush. And we have another High Voltage Electrified Lips Mattitude 3-in-1 Metal Matte in the shade Berry Me and Iced. And berry is spelled B-E-R-R-Y. Very cute, right? Berry Me. Ooh, wow, that's beautiful. Wow, I love this. Look at this. I'm gonna swatch the Berry Me. This Berry Me is such a wearable shade, but if you want to amp it up, oh wow. It's this one right here. I think we have a winner for what I'm gonna put on my lips. That is stunning. And the shade Iced. Can you see it right there? Let me see if swatch it somewhere else. It's right here. It doesn't really look like it's showing up on camera, but you can see it in there. It's very iridescent, and I think it will add a very interesting but not overpowering iridescent glow on the lips. We will see. We're going to put this on my lips in just a moment. Now, the next thing in here is another long-lasting lip liner in the shade Clueless. Again, the lip liners look like this with some pink writing on them. And that is a very light pink. Woo! Woo! Whoa, that is... Can you see that right there? Very wearable underneath a darker lipstick. Or again, in the waterline. There are 2 more items in the box, and the reason why I didn't unwrap them is because I actually got duplicates of both these shades with the lipsticks that I purchased outside of the mystery box. And it's in the shade Guidette and Oh My God. So I will swatch the ones from my own collection so that you can see what they look like. But these 2, I think, are going to go in a giveaway so that you guys can also try Private Society products and let me know how you think about them. Haha, oops, just kidding. I lost the shade Oh My God. I'm sure I'll find it at some point, so I will not be able to swatch that one for you. This is the shade Guidette. It looks like this. I will swatch this one for you right here. And these are also the matte shades right here. And I will not be able to swatch the shade Oh My God, but it is a very wearable shade because I was wearing it, which is why I lost it. So it is more along the lines of a nude pink with a little bit of red in it. It was very, very nice, and I was wearing the heck out of it, and now I lost it. So now it's going to be one of your guys's, and you are going to love it. These matte shades are very, very comfortable. They're not too drying on the lips. They feel really, really nice. Okay, now for the final bit of this look, I am going to try their 3-in-1 lipstick. So, let's grab this guy here that I said was the winner. Smells good. And it feels good. Let's let that dry for a moment before we put on the gloss. Okay, let's see what this gloss does to this shade. Okay, there you have it. That's with the gloss, so that's with the before and after with the gloss. And that is all she wrote. So, if you would like to win these 2 lip products from Private Society, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be doing the drawing in about 2 weeks, just to give people time to discover this video, because this company is very, very new. I want to make sure that we can get enough eyes on it before we give these away. So, that is all I have for this video. Thanks again for joining me. When I did purchase these items, everything was half off. I'm not sure if they are still having that really great sale that made the products very affordable, that made their palettes like $20. Their lip products were very, very affordable. I got like 4 of them for $20. So I will find out before I post this video to see if they're still having that sale, but I'm sure they'll have it again next year. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.